Hello everyone. So here is another delicious and interesting snack recipe from my kitchen. Baked chicken potlis. The crust is made out of whole wheat and they are stuffed with chicken, and I have shaped them into potlis, and as the name suggests, they are baked and not fried. So do watch till the end, and if you like the recipe, do hit the like, share and subscribe button. Now let's start with the recipe. In a mixing bowl, take 2 cups of whole wheat flour or atta. You can also use maida if you want to. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil, but I would prefer ghee for this recipe. Now mix well. Using your hands, mix everything together until the mixture is crumbly. Now add water slowly as required to knead the soft dough. Cover with a wet cloth and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the filling. For the stuffing, I have taken 400 grams of boneless chicken cut into cubes. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Give it a good mix. Cover the chicken and refrigerate for 15 minutes. Now in a pan, heat oil and add 1 medium-sized chopped onion and fry until translucent. Then add marinated chicken and cook until the chicken is done. Transfer the chicken into a bowl and let it cool for some time, and then shred it into pieces. Now let's start making the potlis. Knead the dough for 2 to 3 minutes, then cut it into 4 equal parts. Take one part, dust a surface and then roll it thin as shown in the video. Take a cookie cutter or any bowl and then cut it into circles. Now take each circle and then roll it a little more thinner. Add the stuffing. Do not add too much of stuffing because we need space to make these plates as shown in the video. So just follow the video to make the shape. Cut a thin rectangular strip, put some water and then put it around the potli. So this is how it will look. After you have prepared all the potlis, put it in a parchment paper lined baking tray and then spray them generously with oil and preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. We are going to bake these at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes or until they are golden brown. If you want to deep fry them, you can always deep fry them, it's up to you. So these are the crispy baked chicken potlis ready to be served. So hope you liked the video and the recipe. Do give me a thumbs up and see you in my next video.